Sway family, good morning. It's your boy, your man, favorite gun tuber. I'm back. Got a question for you. What is your EDC for today? I decided to roll with that good Glock 17. This is a Gen 5 with that good Streamlight TLR1 HLX on it. Extended magazine with the Terran Tactical base plate. That's how we're doing it right there. True Glow night sights. That's how we rolling, y'all. Anyway, let me know in the comment section what your EDC is for today. Have a blessed day. And for those of you who are working, don't work too hard.